Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram not uploading story. Open any browser on your phone and search for Down Detector. Open the first website and search for Instagram. Here, you will see a graph showing Instagram's current status. If the server is down, wait for some time and then try again. Step 2. Now open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then search for Media Quality and tap on it. Turn off the option Use Less Mobile Data. Now go back and try uploading your story again. Step 3. Open your phone's Settings. Open Apps Management, then tap on Apps List. Tap on Instagram, then tap on Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Make sure Allow Data Usage is turned on. Also, enable background data if available. Now try uploading your story again. Step 4. Simplify your story. Content Open Instagram and tap on Your Story. Select your photo or video. If your story contains too many stickers, GIFs, or music, it may fail to upload. Try uploading a simple version without extra elements. Step 5. Clear Cache, Android Fix. Go to Settings. Open Apps Management, then tap on Apps List. Select Instagram, tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache, do not tap on Clear Data. Open Instagram again and try uploading your story. Step 6. Reinstall Instagram app. If the problem still continues, uninstall the app. Tap and hold the Instagram icon and select Uninstall. Then open the Google Play Store and install Instagram again. Log into your account and upload your story. That's it. Your problem should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.